To whip up quick and delicious honey garlic chicken thighs, start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Season 4 boneless chicken thighs with salt and pepper, then sear them for 6 to 7 minutes per side until golden brown. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 minced cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Pour this mixture over the chicken and let it simmer for another 5 minutes, ensuring the chicken is coated well. Now here's a quick tip. To intensify the flavor, sprinkle a touch of smoked paprika over the chicken before serving. This adds a lovely smoky depth that really elevates the dish. Serve it with steamed veggies for a complete meal in just 15 minutes.